This is the basic tutorial of RAIOTerm app. Right now I'm inside the app and you can see there are three sections. First, dashboard, then terminal, and then docs. In terminal you can see your serial data. In docs you can read about the RAIOTerm app, how to configure it, what are the protocols it uses, and etc. On dashboard, to import a widget, you can click on edit button. You can see a plus icon just after clicking on edit button. If I click on plus icon, I will be seeing there are a lot of widgets inside my app. So it is a widget section. You can import any widget as per your project. Simply I am importing button widget. Here is my button widget. I can even increase and decrease the size, rotate it, and even change a few things after clicking on pencil icon. This is the command ID. This command ID will be attached to this widget which will be carrying the input and output data. Like if I set it to LED and save it and done, if I click it, you can see it sent 1 when I pressed it and then 0. So the identity attached to the widget is the LED variable. You can change it anything as per your need. I'm changing it to like motor. Okay, so if I click it, you can see motor was on, then released, and it went to 0 from 1. So button widget supports 0 and 1. Other widgets supports other stuff. You can read about it on doc section through widget uh, particular section inside the doc section, which is widget master reference. Here you can see button widget supports 1 and 0. Toggle widget supports 1 and 0. Slider supports z up to 120 up to 128 or something like that. So slider supports that, joystick, and there are a lot of widgets which supports other stuff. If I click on edit button and then plus icon, I can see a slider widget. Here's a slider widget. I can even change the color of the slide and even change the minimum and maximum values, and even change the decimal place if I want it to be like this. So you can see the slider widget, and even you can import a lot of widgets, and you can see when I click on the slider widget, it send this data. I can even change its command ID by clicking on pencil icon, then changing it to like motor speed. Motor speed. So if I, you can see it's in 563.3 and then 173.7. You can even change its label so you can better remember it, like motor control. And even you can change the button label to like motor. So simply like this. And you can click on this eye icon on above to see your whole widgets which you have imported on the dashboard. You can even click on a particular widget and log its data. You can even click on it and share the web URL, and whenever you will click on the widget, it will automatically send the data to your webhook with your microcontroller. So it will send the data to microcontroller and even your webhook. So you get the notification. And even you can see all the widgets in widget info with its command ID and label. So the label is motor on slash off and the command ID has been used like motor. And in slider widget I have used motor speed.